we just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn up. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Tuesday. Okay, guys, so if you guys can read from the shirt, do what makes you happy. I love this shirt. I actually just got it out of my closet and took the tag off. I was like, oh yeah, today is the day to wear this shirt. So I woke up feeling a little sluggish. I'm gonna be real. COVID messes with your mind. COVID really messes with your neurological system. I swear to God on everything I love that yesterday I forgot how to spell Jeffree. I forgot how to spell, you know, Jeffree Star. I forgot how to spell Jeffree. How many times have I done a video on Jeffree Star or talked about Jeffree Star and I forgot how to spell Jeffree? Like, I literally had to stop what I was doing on my computer and look up how to spell Jeffree Star. I was like, okay, yeah, the COVID is real. Like, okay, we already know the COVID is real, but like the COVID is real. It really messes with your brain. So this morning I was like getting up, getting dressed. I use the ColourPop Coral palette today on my eyes and I really like it. And I was just like, okay, I'm ready to go film. And then I was like, ooh, like I started feeling real dizzy and stuff. So I'm going to get through this one video today and then I'm going to go rest. I have another video to upload, my Walmart beauty box. And then tomorrow we'll start all over. So right now I have Busy Beauty Haul. I love doing a Busy Beauty Haul. But before we get into that, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Basically, I won't even need to explain that video. I'm not going anywhere, okay? And please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. See what I mean? I'm forgetting what to do. Oh, God. Should I even film right now? I am literally forgetting how to do my intros and... What's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways. And right now I have a 2021 giveaway going on. It's going all the way through February 1st. And please make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you give the videos a big thumbs up. And I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. And it will tell you how to enter to win. Let's get into this video. Hopefully. Okay. Oh my God. My YouTube manager is going to kill me for doing this video. But anyways, Busy Beauty. I will leave her Instagram link in the description box below. BizyBeautyStore is her link and she is amazing. She is my #1 eBay lot lister. She does the best damn makeup lots you ever did see. Cute makeup bags, cute brush sets, skincare. She's really getting out with skincare, Bath & Body Works perfumes. Skincare, guys. Like, really, we're trying to push the skincare right now. And, oh my God, she's just amazing. And if I can find some pics of her lots, I will make sure I include them in this video. But anyways, every month, she sends me and 2 other beautiful Sweetie Squad members. Oh, I'm sorry, not Sweetie Squad. Busy Beauty Squad. Oh my God! Someone help. Today's just not a good day. I thought today was a good day. Anyways. This is my box of goodies that she sent me, and we're going to open it together. Oh my God. She's going to kill me for doing this video. She always says, Samantha, if you don't feel like filming, don't film. I feel like filming. It's just my brain is not connecting to my mouth or something. Okay, so let's open this up. This basically can tell you some of the stuff that you can get. Most of the stuff you can get from her lot. Some of the stuff is exclusive to us Busy Beauty Squad people. Okay, as I was saying, you could DM her and you can ask her what she has and what she doesn't have. So, okay, I had to get my thumbnail. Now I'm back. Okay, so the first thing, this is obviously not something that she does not sell. This is for us to be able to keep track of our videos and our bills and everything. We all got one that's part of the Busy Beauty Squad. Now, oh my God, I'm about to go crazy. Okay, she bubble wraps everything very nicely. And I'm about to go crazy. Oh my gosh. Like, guys, that box is full to the brink. Okay. The first thing she sent me is it's the purple ones! Is the Vibrant Spark by Morphe. I actually have this. I have the like red, kind of like the goldy and this color right here ones, but this is the purple one, and I wanted it and it was sold out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We have this pretty purple. Oh my gosh. I've been looking for a color like this. I swear to you, I've been looking for a color just like this for my eyes, and I cannot find one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Video's over. Oh my God. Purple look has to be coming soon. Okay, next is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's getting my heart rate going. So maybe it's not best to get so excited when you're feeling kind of crazy right now. But anyways, this is the Benefit Cheerleader Mini Bronze Squad. Oh my gosh. Does it have hula? I know it has hula. It has to, because that's their signature. I've been obsessed with bronzing lately, guys. I've never seen this in my life. Oh my God. Oh my, what is that? What is that? What? Oh my God. Oh my word. Holy crap. I'm speechless. We're already at 2 things. Okay. Of course, it's Buxom. And it's in the color Andrea, and it's like iridescent. I've never heard of Andrea. This is awesome, a new color. My heart rate is so up right now because I'm getting so excited. Okay. Did you know I was coloring my hair, girl? Because I'm coloring my hair like tomorrow or the next day. Next is Color Assure Long Lasting Deep Moisturizer Mask. Oh my gosh. Girl, it's like you knew me. Oh, we got a color pop. Y'all know I love me some color pop. What is this? Super Shock Cheek. Oh, I've never seen this. Out of Quartz. Super Shock Cheek. That's a highlighter? What the? I use that as an eyeshadow. Okay. Girl, you loaded this box. This is my... This is amazing. I am over the moon right now. I'm having so much fun. It is the Metallics Liquid Glitter Topper by Touch and Soul. More liquid eyeshadows. That is it. Y'all want to see a liquid eyeshadow haul? Because the other day I was like, okay, I need to put all my liquid eyeshadows in like, not a Tupperware, but like a little storage thing. Because my liquid eyeshadows are everywhere. They're in here. They're out there. They're everywhere. I need to put them all in one spot because that's what I love is liquid eyeshadows. And I gotta go searching for it. So y'all want to see a liquid eyeshadow haul? Comment down below. Okay. I'm having so much fun. I'm kind of like, I'm getting so excited. This is the Heroin Glow 2 by Juvia's. Is this a highlighter? It does look like a highlighter. What is this? It's the precious. It's the precious. Gosh, I am taking this whole box to my bedroom. There's not even some stuff that I'm taking. I'm taking the whole damn box. Oh, we have another Morphe? Wait, is this the one I have? I think this is the one I have. The one I was just talking about with the gold and the coral. Yep, I have this. So these will be going in a giveaway. Oh, yes. I have those. Do I have this? Wait a minute. I thought they only made 3 of these. No. Wait, what? Do I have this? I'm freaking out right now because I swear I bought all 3 of these. They made a 4th one? What the freak? Guys, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Okay. So we have a ColourPop palette. I love getting ColourPop palettes. If y'all want to see a ColourPop haul, let me know. down below. I mean, not ColourPop haul, ColourPop collection video. This is, I think this is all French, and I am French, but I do not understand. Barquet? I don't know, but beautiful blues. This is a challenge for me. Using this palette is a challenge because I've never used colors like this on my eyes. So this is why I wanted this palette. I did ask her for this palette because, yeah, it's definitely a challenge for me. And I love a challenge. Okay. She got me the new Sky High Maybelline. These are supposed to make your lashes look like they're about to fly away. Oh my God. I've been looking for this. No lie. I've been looking for this everywhere. My heart be still. I need sushi. I want sushi. Oh my God. What is this? What is this? NYX Professional Makeup Lip Topper. It's just so cool looking. Okay, I cannot get that open. Look at it. It's like a diamond. Oh! Oh my God. I'm in heaven. Okay, so she got me the shimmery dry oil from the Coral Crush. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. We have another Buxom in Belle. I do not have this color. I'm gonna have all the Buxoms. All up. Oh my God, you did not. You did. You did. You did not. You did. She sent me. Okay, so I already have this one, and now I have another one. Giveaways. Y'all, liquid eyeshadow in my giveaways. Oh my. It's going to be a good February. It's going to be a good February. Speaking of that, I ordered a backdrop. Where is my backdrop? At least I think I ordered it. Okay. Antioxidant by Dr. Brandt with green tea extract toner. I don't really use toner, but anything that's simple to spray on, I'm with it. Okay. She knows champagne toast is my favorite, but she must have not watched my last Bath & Body Works haul. I literally just bought this, but hey, you can never have two. You can always have more than one. Okay. All right, we're almost to the bottom. This is another coral. This is Super Shock eyeshadows, and I love the puppy ones. I love the puppy ones because the proceedings go to, not Partners for Pets, but like saving puppies and pets and stuff. So I really like that. So, all right. Then she threw in some loose stuff at the bottom, and then we're going to get to the big daddy. We have... all these are cream eyeliners. We have pink, which I needed one today, so thank you. We have a red, which I do not have one. We have a nice black. These are all from Hannah Dayan, and they're all waterproof. We have a gold, and we have a lighter pink. I cannot wait to play, especially this Barbie pink on my eyelid. Ooh, honey. Okay, and then we have the, oh Lord, it's my kryptonite. If you guys do not know, I do not know how to use liquid eyeliner on the top of my lid. I'm going to be real. And she made sure it was a liquid eyeliner. Yes. It's a pencil. Okay, cool. I can use this one. But I promised her I would start using liquid eyeliner. So fingers crossed, guys. Okay. Then we have here a Pacifica Pineapple Splash Vegan Lip Balm. I love pineapple, and it is Pacifica. Not really a lip balm fan, but hey. And then... we have Marc Jacobs. Oh, honey, we've gone bougie now. We've gone bougie. I don't really own Marc Jacobs. Oh, you know, purple look. You wanted a purple look, right? Purple look. Okay. And then we have here the Touch and Soul Body Spritzer in Sunkissed Coconut. Okay, it's taped, but I need to smell this, like, now. And I don't do these videos to brag or anything. Honestly, we are a team. This is what we do. We show you guys everything Busy Beauty puts out. And this is so cool. So ColourPop now has body sprays. So let's spray it. I don't even put perfume on this morning because I'm not going nowhere. Oh, I smell like a chiquita banana but pineapple. Oh, honey. Oh my God. I swear I'm not exaggerating. This is amazing. Like, you can tell when a body spray, like, we'll be real. Bath and Body Works body sprays don't last all day. This, I can tell, is going to last all day. This is, wow. Wow. Oh my. Hit her up for some of these. Wow. And this is the Sun-Kissed Coconut. Oh my God. Okay. For the Big Daddy. Okay. When she told me I was getting this palette, I freaking screamed. Because first off, this is another YouTuber who I love so much. She is one of my inspirations. If you guys do not know who Mar is, you need to watch Mar. Mar editing, her everything is life. And this is Mar right here. And she got signed for Too Faced to do a collab for the Maale palette. Guys, this is for V-Day, okay? We will be doing this look. I will be reviewing this. We will be reviewing this together before Valentine's Day, and I will let you know how I like this palette. Oh my God. Just look at it. It is the perfect V-Day palette. I cannot wait to play. I was so happy when she told me she was getting me this. I love Mars so much. I wanted this palette, but it's a little pricey. So thank you so much, Stephanie. Oh my God. Thank you for everything. Honestly, I've gotten a lot of, you know, I've been getting PR from you for almost, what, 3 years almost? This one, I think, is one of my favorites. This one right here, because new stuff I've never even heard of, never even seen, stuff that I've been looking for like crazy. This one was one of the best ever. Love, love, love this. Love you so much. Thank you. You guys check out her Instagram. Like I said, I'm leaving that link down below. This box has blown me away. I don't even feel weird anymore. Like, I'm ready to go dance a marathon. I'm like, woo! I feel so good right now. So I'm going to go play. I'm going to go put this stuff away, organize and stuff and everything. But I need to go get sushi. So I will see you guys on my next video. As always, stay beautiful. Stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Love y'all. Bye.